Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Now we will discuss the problem number one, which is you already wrote in your notebook. Same things we will discuss right now.
Sir, excuse me, sorry to interrupt. Can you grant us to record the screen?
Pardon?
Can you like give a permission to record the screen? Because when I'm clicking on the record button, na, it's showing. Please ask the host to give you permission to record.
I will record and I will put in the YouTube. You can see the YouTube
Okay,
again. Okay.
okay, sure.
Now, friends, we will discuss the problem number one. Uh, Problem number one: Central and Western were partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. From 1st April 2019, they admitted Harbour in partnership, giving him 1 upon 5 share in profits. He brought rupees 1,20,000, of which rupees 15,000 was considered as share of goodwill and the balance as his share of capital. You are given trial balance as on 31st March 2020. Trial balance, debit side, drawing Central 48,000, Western 42,000, Harbor 30,000, purchases 19 lakh 95,000, sales return 48,000, debtors 4 lakh 38,000, opening stock 3 lakh 26,700, wages 2 lakh 41,800, salaries 1 lakh 5,000, bidding 90,000, patents 84,000, postage and telegram 38,700, power and fuel 22,500, general expenses 39,750, rent, rates and taxes 42,000, bad debt 6,300, investments 1,95,000, prepaid insurance 6,000, cash and bank 70,800, and bill receivable 2,05,500. Credit side, rent payable 11,100, outstanding wages 32,400, sales 31,68,000, purchase return 31,800, reserve for doubtful debts 14,400, creditors 3,61,200, bills payable 90,750, dividend 9,900, capital Central 1,80,000, Western 1,05,000, cash paid by Harbour 1,20,000, total of the both the side 42 lakhs 20,050. Adjustments: number one, closing stock was valued at rupees 1,95,000. Number two, goods costing rupees 12,000 have been stolen but not entered in the books. Write off 20% of patents. Create provision for doubtful debts at the rate 5% on debtors. And depreciation paiding at the rate 10% per annum. Prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Now, friends, we I read this particular question. In this particular question, they are provided information about the partners. They have two partners, partner Western, and their profit sharing ratio 3 is to 2. And from 1st April 2019, new partner admitted Harbour, and this new partner Harbour brought rupees 1,20,000. From this 1,20,000, 15,000 considered as a goodwill. So these kinds of information is there. Now we will prepare basically trading account, profit and loss account, partners capital account, and balance sheet. We will prepare TD account, profit and loss account, partners capital account, and balance sheet. How we will prepare that we are going to discuss. Okay, fine. Now, before that, you should know about which item come which side. Now, first of all, we will consider what kinds of gender adjustments are there. The adjustment number one, closing stock. It is recorded trading account, credit side, and balance sheet, asset side. Closing stock, where we have to record trading account, credit side. So we will write here trading account, credit side by closing stock. Value they are provided rupees 1,95,000. And second effect of closing stock we will provide it in our balance sheet. We will write here on bottom line closing stock 1,95,000. So these things you have to keep in mind. Closing stock in the adjustment, and we have to give two effects of the closing stock. That is, first effect, our trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. We recorded the asset side closing stock. I hope you understood what is going on. Now, friends, we have to again move further our problem, and we will discuss what kinds of items where we have to put. Now, first, friends, now drawing they are provided. Drawing, central drawing, and western drawing. Drawing is a personal expenses. So we have to show central drawing and the western drawing and harbor's drawing. This amount of drawing we have to put partners capital account. We have to put partners capital account. That you have to keep in mind. Capital account we have to put in on a debit side, where we have to put partners capital account debit side. Then sales return less from sales. Sales return less from sales. Debtors balance sheet asset side. Opening stock trading account debit side. Wages trading account debit side. Salaries profit and loss account debit side. Building balance sheet asset side. Patents balance sheet asset side. Patents have a one adjustment, that's why we have to put tick. Postage and telegram profit and loss account debit side. Power and fuel trading account debit side. General expenses profit and loss account debit side. Rent rates and taxes profit and loss account debit side. Bad debts profit and loss account debit side. Investments balance sheet asset side. Prepaid insurance balance sheet asset side. Cash and bank balance sheet asset side. Bill receivable also balance sheet asset side. Now, credit side, rent payable. Payable means the outstanding. Payable means the outstanding, and payable amount we have to show balance sheet liability side. Outstanding wages, it's also we have to show balance sheet liability side. Sales trading account credit side. Purchase return less from purchases. Reserve for doubtful debts. Reserve for doubtful debts. It's a old RDD. Trial balance credit side reserve for doubtful debts is there. It is considered as a old RDD. An old RDD recorded profit and loss account credit side. Creditors, we will record a balance sheet liability side. Bills payable also balance sheet liability side. Dividend profit and loss account credit side. Then capital central western, this particular capital they are provided, this particular capital we have to show partners capital account credit side. We have to write center's capital 1,80,000, western's capital 1,10,000, 1,500. Cash paid by harbor 1,20,000. He has brought the cash. That effect that we will discuss afterwards. So I hope you understood all the effects of the trial balance items. Okay, now we will move further. Adjustments, we already done this particular adjustment regarding the closing stock. Second adjustment, goods costing rupees 12,000 have been stolen but no entry in the books. Goods stolen. Stolen means it is lost by theft. And if it is lost by theft, the adjustments have a two effects. Every adjustment has more than two effects. Here, this particular second adjustment, we have to give the two effects. Goods stolen. Stolen goods we have to record in trading account credit side. We will write buy goods loss by thief. It is a stolen. Stolen, it is lost by thief. An amount of goods 12,000. Now, friends, second effect we have to give stolen goods, it is a loss. Stolen goods, it is a loss. Loss always recorded profit and loss account debit side. We will write here two uh, goods lost by thief and value we will record it 12,000. I hope you understood what is going on. Here we recorded the value and these two adjustments we recorded. Now friends, third adjustment, if you see that this particular adjustment belonging to patents, and next adjustment belonging to debtors, and next is depreciation that we will do afterwards. Now what we have to do, we have to record all the items whatever they are provided in their trial balance. Now first item, trial balance debit side. If you see that, what was the first item? Drawing is there. The drawing where we have to show, already informed, partners capital account debit side. We will write to drawing. Value of drawing central 48,000, western 42,000, and harbor 30,000. Drawing we recorded. Now second item, purchases. Where we will put the purchases? Purchases we will put trading account. In trading account debit side, leave one line and write there two purchases. Value they are provided in our problem 19 lakh 95,000. We will keep this particular value inner column because purchase return we have to record, we have to deduct from these purchases. Now next item, sales return. Sales return, it is a less from sales. The sales return, sales return, trading account, credit side, we have to deduct from sales. The value they are providing rupees 48,000, and that we have to show in trading account credit side. After that, next item, debtors. Debtors we have to show asset side. Debtors we have to show asset side. We have to write here debtors. Balance sheet asset side. Debtors. The value of debtors is rupees 4,83,000. Value of debtor is rupees 4,83,000. So we will keep inner column 4,83,000. Why we will keep 4,83,000 inner column, but one RDD, one adjustment is there which is belonging to debtors. That's why we will keep inner column. After recording debtors, next item, opening stock. Opening stock we will record it trading account debit side to opening stock. Opening stock, and their value we have to put. How much is the value of opening stock? 3,26,700. Then after that, next item is there, wages. Wages we will leave one line and we have to record trading account debit side to wages. To wages. It is a trading account item and value of wages rupees 2,41,800. 2,41,800. After recording wages, next item is salary. Salary we have to put profit and loss account debit side to salaries, and value of salaries rupees 1,05,000. After recording salary, Next item is bidding. Now bidding we have to show balance sheet asset side. We will write here bidding. And if you see that in our adjustment depreciation is there, that's why bidding value we will keep inner column rupees 90,000. We will keep inner column rupees 90,000. That you have to keep in mind, inner column, because we have to deduct the depreciation value. After that, next item, patent. Patent is a asset. Leave one line because we want to deduct the depreciation. Patent, the value of patent rupees 84,000, and this particular patent also have some write-off value that also we have to deduct from patents. Therefore, patents recorded asset side inner column. After patent, in our trial balance, next item is there postage and telegram. It is a profit and loss account item. We have to go to profit and loss account debit side and we have to write to postage and telegram. Value of postage and telegram rupees how much? How much is the value of the postage and telegram? 30 38,700. After recording this, next item, power and fuel. Power and fuel, it is required in a factory. Therefore, it is we will show in trading account. We will write to power and fuel. Power and fuel. And we have to show the value of the power and fuel 22,500. Fine. Then after that, next item, general expenses. General expenses, profit and loss account, debit side to general expenses. We have to show profit and loss account, debit side, and value of general expenses amount to rupees 39,750. Yes, I hope you understood what is going on. After recording general expenses, next item is there rent, rates and taxes 42,000. It is also profit and loss account item 2, rent, rates and taxes 42,000. Value is 42,000. After recording this, next item is there bad debts. 2, bad debts. We will record inner column the value of bad debts 6,300. Why we will record inner column, that we will discuss afterward. You should know about which item come which side. After recording this, next item is there, that is investment. Investment comes under balance sheet asset side. We will write here investment asset side. Investment. It is a balance sheet item, and the value of investment we will directly put outer column 1,95,000. After recording investment, next is a prepaid insurance. The prepaid insurance is also it is also asset item, and the value of prepaid insurance is 6,000. Next item is there cash and bank balance. The cash and bank, it is also asset side we have to show, and the value is rupees 70,800. The next item bills receivable, also asset side bills. See that friends, we recorded the trial balance items 2,05,500. It's very simple to record. The debit side is over. Now we will move further. Credit side of the trial balance, bills payable. Bills payable, it's liability side. We will write here liability side bills payable. The value of the bills payable 11,100. 11,100. Next item is there outstanding wages. It is also liability side. Outstanding wages amount rupees 32,400. Amount rupees 32,400. Next is sales. Sales they are provided. Sales where we have to show, we will show trading account credit side sales. Trading account credit side sales, and the value of sale they are provided 32 lakh 68,000. 32 lakh 68,000. Now we will deduct the sales return value. The rest of the value will be 31 lakh 20,000. Sales return we deducted from the sales. So whatever value come, that is 31 lakh 20,000. Then purchase return is there. Next item purchase return. The less from purchases return, the value rupees 31,800. This value purchase return we will deduct it from purchases. The rest of the value will be 19 lakh 63,200. Yes, I hope you understood. Next item, that is reserve for doubtful debts. Reserve for doubtful debts, if it is there in the trading account credit side, it is considered as a old RDD. It is considered as a old RDD. Old RDD we will record it profit and loss account credit side. We will write by old RDD, and the value of old RDD is rupees. They are provided 14,400. After recording the old RDD, next item is their creditors. Creditors we have to show liability side. Creditors.
Amount which you have showed is 31 lakh 20,000, but it's wrong. It's
Amount
32.
is,
Yeah, the Nitesh Tandilkar also has corrected it.
yes, pardon,
Nitesh Tandilkar also has corrected it. The amount which you have inserted is 32, but you have entered 31, sir.
which one? Which amount you are saying?
Upper one, sir.
Which
Not
which
not
item?
this column.
Hmm?
Not this column, sir.
Which item you are saying? Creditors are rupees how much? 3,61,200. 3,61,200. Yes, Mister. I cannot understand what you are saying right now. Oh, Nitesh Tandel, net sales 32 lakh 20,000. Okay, sales value, net sales.
Yes, but sir, you have entered 31 over there. That's why.
Okay, it's a 31.
Two. Yeah.
How much will got here?
It will be 32, na, sir? Like 32, 68 minus 48. It will be 32.
32. Okay, fine. 32 lakhs 20,000. Right. How much was the sale? It was a 31 lakh 61,000, I think. See the problem. See the problem. So it is right. 31 lakh 20,000. My sale was wrong. I wrote the wrong sale. The sale was 31 lakh 68,000. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
See the question you wrote already in your notebook. Then after that, after recording the creditors, next item is there, that is bills payable. We already recorded. We recorded bills payable. Is there any bills payable? Is there creditors 11,100? How which amount we recorded here? Is a rent payable was there? This amount was rent payable. Now bills payable, it is also show liability side, and the value of the bills payable is rupees 9,000 90,750. 90,750. Then after that, next item is dividend. Dividend is a income, and we have to show partners profit and loss account credit side by dividend, and dividend value we have to show 9,900. After recording dividend, next is a capital balances are there, and such capital balances we have to put partners capital account. We have to put partners capital account credit side. Partners capital account credit side we have to show. We will write here by balance brought down, and value centers capital 1,80,000 and Western's capital 1,05,000. Okay, fine. And this harbor newly admitted person is there. There is no capital balance here. Okay, fine. Then he has paid cash in trial balance. They are provided 1,20,000. Now, if you see the on our problem, there is a particular sentence that we will discuss, but right now we have already gone 40 minutes over, and we will stop here. But today we discuss the trial balance each and every items. Now some of the adjustments are remain that we will discuss in our next lecture. We have a next lecture on this coming Saturday. Two lectures are there. That time we will discuss. I hope you understood this trial balance and this final account where we have to show the effects, what kind of effects we have to write, where we have to show trading account, what kind of item we have to show, that you have studied. I hope you don't have any problem regarding this. Okay, so I will over the lectures. Next time we will discuss the further part. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Have a nice day.
We
Thank you,
have a
sir.
lecture this coming Saturday. That time we will discuss, and the same
Sure.
lectures I will keep in on YouTube also. You have to see the YouTube, uh, whatever problem how we will solve. If it is any difficulty, you can put on chat, put in chat box also, or on
Okay.
your WhatsApp group also. Okay, I hope
Okay,
you
sir.
Okay,
understood.
sir.
Sure.
The lecture
Sure,
is
sir. Thank you
over
so
right
much.
now.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. Good night.
Good night.